So now I'm going to erase around the drawing of the hand so that it's more visible. Sometimes with a subtractive drawing you want to keep the background there and just draw with the darks and erase into the lights, but keep the background there. But for this one, I'm actually going to use my eraser to lighten up the backgrounds. The great thing about subtractive drawing is that you have your middle ground already there. So all you need to do is pop in your darks, erase into the charcoal and the pastel for your lights, and half the work is already done. So the difference between using a pink eraser and a gum eraser is that this one, the gum eraser, erases a little bit smoother, but you have to keep pulling it apart like that so that you can move the charcoal around and it starts erasing again. Good. Whereas the pink eraser, you don't have to pull it apart, stretch it. You just keep erasing with it. So here you have the beginning of a pretty simple hand drawing right there. Can't wait to see what you guys can do.